Most homeowners want to get top dollar for their property, but they don't always have the time, money, or resources to make that happen. At HomeEdge Inc., we help sellers maximize their profit without paying anything up front. With our Fix Now, Pay Later program, we fund and manage the renovation, design, and staging process for you. You don't lift a finger, and you don't pay until the home sells. We handle everything, from contractors and designers to staging, marketing, and negotiation. Here's a real example. This homeowner had a property worth $800,000 in as-is condition. We stepped in, renovated and staged the property, and listed it for sale. It sold for over $1 million, generating an $88,000 resale gain. After deducting renovation costs, the net enhanced profit was $130,000, and we split that with the homeowner 50-50. That is an additional $65,000 net profit. They didn't spend a dime up front and walked away with more than they ever expected. You'll never need to worry about who to hire, how to manage the work, or how to prep your home for buyers. Our team handles renovation, staging, listing, negotiation, and closing, all with precision and speed. If you're thinking about selling, let's talk. We'll walk your property, show you what it could really sell for, and lay out a plan with no pressure and no upfront cost. Let's find out what your home could really be worth together.